Hello friend, my name is Sandeep. Today I will demonstrate you that how to make this old unique pillar using Blender 2.80. So first we have to delete all this default scene by pressing A, then press X, then delete. Okay. To make this pillar we need a cube. So first we have to add a cube. Okay. Now switch to edit mode. Now choose vertex mode and select vertex like this tab. Now press J to join. Do this step with all vertex. Okay. Now like this and like this. Okay. Now we have to choose face selection mode. Now select all faces by pressing A, press X, then choose only faces. Okay. Now switch to vertex mode. Extrude this vertex by pressing E and also bottom of vertex. Okay. Now select these two vertex and press Alt plus M. Now at center. Okay. Now press Ctrl X to dissolve vertex. Now do with other vertex. This is top of vertex and here this is bottom of vertex. Now select this vertex, this vertex and this vertex. Now press Alt plus M. Now choose at center. Okay. Now press Ctrl X to dissolve. Okay. Now we have to select all these vertex by pressing A, apply skin modifier. Under modifier tab, under generate, choose skin modifier. Okay. Now press Ctrl A to scale and point to. Okay. This is first look of our pillar. Now apply array modifier. Now change relative value of x 0.99. Okay, and count here as you want. Now I am giving to its value 5 only. Okay. Now apply again subdivision surface modifier. Okay. Now change subdivision surface value viewport to and quality also to. Okay. Now apply all. Now apply all modifier. All modifier is applied in object mode. So switch to object mode. Now apply all modifier. Okay. Now zoom it. To fix this, select this model and right click. Now choose set smooth. Okay, it is fixed. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.